Hi guys, so for today's video, as you guys can see already in the title, it's gonna be a Target haul. I have like a couple of bags here. I didn't purchase this in like, you know, just one time. So anyways, first things first, since I already like used this one time, this is the Neutrogena Ultra Sheer Body Mist. I'm just gonna put like the prices in the screen or in the description box below, because some of the receipt, I think I already threw them away. So this is the Neutrogena, like I said, this is the body mist. And since summer is finally, I think, here, actually right now it's 82 degrees, so it's really hot. So I'm gonna use this today, which is the body mist, and this has 30 SPF. Yes, SPF 30. And the next one is just a regular nail polish remover, because I want to paint my toenails. And then next one is, I have here simple cleansing wipes. Buy two and save. Yeah, something like that. Anyways, next one is repurchase, since I like also my micellar water, and this is from Garnier. Right here, this is the micellar cleansing water, all-in-one hydrating. Oh, hydrating, oh my god. All right, this is all for skin types. But yeah, I'm just gonna put all the, how do you call that, all the price in the screen. All right, next one is, I don't know what it is, but oh, the candle. Okay, so I saw this candle and it says Gemini right there, and I had to get it because I'm a Gemini baby. So, and it smells really good. They actually have like a lot of zodiac sign over there. The Libra smells good, Cancer smells good, and also Scorpio smells good. I was gonna get Libra because my husband is a Libra, but I just had to get one of these because I think they're, yep, it's $7.99. It says notes of spearmint, rosemary, sage, eucalyptus, and florals. But yeah, I can't wait to burn this when I hear. And actually my other candle is also from Target, which I already used. This is from the brand Threshold, and I don't know what's the scent of, oh, cashmere vanilla, because I saw this on TikTok that they said it's like a dupe of Tom Ford, but I haven't smelled a Tom Ford one, so I can't tell you that it's a dupe. But yeah, it smells actually good, so I've been burning that as well. All right, next one in this bag. Okay, so I have here a cleaning multi-use surface from Mrs. Mayer's. I love this brand. Currently using the Peony scent. This is my second bottle now, and it smells really good, you guys. So I had to get another one, but it's in the scent Honeysuckle, and this one smells good as well. All right, next one is just some hand wipes. I normally put this hand wipes on my car, you know, just to have, if I don't have my alcohol or my like hand sanitizers in a car, I like to keep this too. So that's that. And then this is from Burt's Bees Mama Bee. This is just basically like it says belly butter. I like putting lotion in my stomach, like all over my body actually. So, and then I saw this on TikTok. These, and then we gotta have a lot of elf here. Okay, so next one is this elf lipstick. It's Seriously Satin. The packaging really reminds me of the Sunny's Face packaging, like almost, kind of. This is just like a little bit more transparent satin looking, more than this one. The Sunny's Face actually is from the Philippines, if you guys are not familiar. But yeah, this is, I believe, $3. So I got the shade Nectar right here. It's pretty nice shade. And I also got the shade Cherry, which is like a red shade. And then I repurchased one of my favorite concealer from elf. I believe this is $6, and this is the Hydrating Camo Concealer. I picked up the same shade that I'm currently using, which is Medium Sand. right there. All right, next one is the Primer Infuse bronzer, and they only have 3 shades in the Target. So I got the shade Perfectly Tan. Right there, I have the Infuse blush, which is really pigmented, so I hope that this is pigmented the same as the blush. And I believe this is like 4 or something. I'll just put the price in the screen. And then I was curious about this little quad eyeshadow. I saw Juicy Jazz video, and she featured some of the e.l.f. eyeshadows, and I got the shade Very Bad, like the Very Bad, and these are only $3, which is really cheap. So our next one, I'm just gonna show you real quick, but this is not makeup related. It's just the Rubbermaid food storage. If I go to like work, I like to prep my food. I already have 2 of these, so I decided to get 2 more since I work Monday to Thursday. Next one is I think this is clothing. So I got this bathing suit, and they were on sale for $9.98, and the original price is $19.99, which is almost $20. And I like how this little details right here, like you can adjust. And yeah, it's just, I didn't get the bottom because I don't like the bottom looks like the shape, but I think I'm just gonna pair this like with like maybe white bottom, like bikini, or maybe black. But yeah, it's just really cute, and it's good for summer because summer is here, and I can't wait to go swimming or just in a swimming pool. Actually, speaking of swimming pool, I bought an inflatable swimming pool. So yeah, that's it. Next one is just a graphic tee, and this is on sale as well for $6.48, and the original price is $12.99, which is like $13. So it's just cute Toy Story. I love toy I love Toy Story. So yeah, and I got it in large because I like oversized tees. So that's that. And then don't ask me why I purchased a sweater, and it's in the middle of summer. Don't ask. But this is a cream white sweater. Anyways, this one and this is on sale as well for $10, and the original price is $20. Where I got the extra large since I like baggy clothes. I don't know, I just like baggy clothes. But yeah, I got this. All right, next one is this candle, what is this? Okay, multi-purpose candle edition. So I love candles, and I have so much candles in this room, and I have like the regular lighter, but for some reason I keep losing it, so I got this instead. So that's that. All right, next one is from L'Oreal. This is the Blow Dry Quick Dry Primer Spray. It says cut dry. Okay, so this is a prep and prime right there. So I do have this one, the same one as this, because my friend Viola made me buy it because she said it was good, and I've been using it actually. It's before I straighten up my hair. I have heat protectant, and it's from L'Oreal. So, but I think this is different. I don't know. I think this is for this, so that's why I bought this. So I think okay. Next one is from Dr. Brunner's, and this is the 18-in-1 hemp peppermint pure castle soap. I have the bar, and I decided to just get the liquid. I still have 2 bars downstairs in the basement, and I love this soap. You guys, you can use this for anything. Like I said, it says here 18-in-1, but you have to dilute this with water. Just make sure you read the instruction before using this one. All right, next is hold on. I got some collagen. No, this is from Ren Pure. It's a plant-based shampoo and conditioner. So and it smells really good. I smelled it, I opened it, and it smells really good. So the shampoo is, I have no idea. biotin plus collagen right there. Right there. And let me smell this one more time. Oh yeah, this smells really good. All right, this is the conditioner. Oh my god, it smells really good. And this is coconut plus vitamin E. And then the shampoo is, like I said, biotin plus collagen. The shampoo, it says thicken and strengthen, and then the conditioner is hydrate plus replenish. So I like the packaging. It's yellow. I love yellow. And then I got another sponges from Real Techniques, which is the 4 sponges. I like to have a backup sponges, so I got these. And then next one is I saw this while I was, you know, looking at concealer like elf. So I went to Maybelline like section, and I have this concealer I think it was like 2016. I started using this concealer, and a lot of people says it's kind of like a dupe for NARS Creamy Radiant Concealer, but I haven't tried the NARS yet. But yeah, I repurchased this again, and I got the shade light beige, and I was using this like a long time ago, and I actually love this concealer. I think that's all it, you guys. I have like I have like 4 Target bags here, and I think that's all it. So anyways, like this video, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and I will see you guys soon on my next video. Bye.